There's Dad. He made it all the way to the end. There you go. Go get Dad. Yeah, that's a little better. Go get Dad. Beautiful snow. Where's Bootsy? Come on, Boots. Bootsy. Don't be scared, buddy. Come on. What you doing? You wanna go in? Okay. Come on. Come to me, baby. Come to me, baby. Hi. Hi, can I see the... Oh, can I see those rosy cheeks? Say hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi, right now. Oh, nobody look at me and my black eyes. We're not going to do that. Alright. You guys want to go in? Let's just check out the beauty of snow today. Come on. Come with me, little show. Come on, baby. Good. Good girl. Come on. Hi, guys. Yes, here we go. This is sort of the dreaded spot of the fall. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little recon. You watch. There's Birdie. Birdie, that's as far as you go. Mom's just gonna check out let's check out the road. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's some cars. A couple of cars. No, you guys stay back. Not much going on. Not much going on. Come on. That's a pretty big snow pile. Pretty big snow pile. Okay, I know this video is real boring, but we just want to share the snow. And our pretty baby. Come here. Show. Can you say kiss, camera? It's all about this, right there. Right there, Angel Baby, signing off.